Hello friends, happy Labor Day. Today is Monday the 6th of September 2021. Well, let's take a look at the garden. It's been a while, hasn't it? Here's the last piece of fruit on my tree. Look at how far out this is. This is like a 20-foot extension of the squash. And they're producing way better outside than they are inside for some reason. In the front it looks nice. You know, right here we used to have one of these big boys, and then the day after filming the last one of these, we had some 40-mile-an-hour straight winds. Knocked it down, knocked down some Mexican sunflowers. That's okay, we cut them up, made some nice flower arrangements, my wife did. We got to enjoy them. Not a very zen thing about your garden. Just appreciate the time that I had, make use of it, and move on. It looks like I have one pear too. That's hard as a rock, but hey, I got it. Now I need to prune all of my trees to a nice shaping so they won't put on any green growth before it gets cold. Now's the time to do that. As you can see, the raspberries are beautiful. I came out here probably a week ago and I picked a bunch, but it's time for me to do it again. My wife got me a mosquito hat jacket thing. Got to employ that. Oh man, just look at this. It's a little overgrown is the theme of the garden. 'Cause I let my life get away from me with the daughter and stuff. I can't even get through here. I gotta bend down low. And oh my god, look over here. There's like morning glories creeping on everything. Let's go over here. What do we even have to talk about other than mess, right? It's a beautiful mess. What a beautiful mess, oh man. But really, it is a beautiful mess. I don't know what to tell you. I've been picking tomatoes. I should be picking more tomatoes. Oh, hey, there's a giant humada. Looks like I've got a cabbage I can do something with. Oh my god, there's even a squash over there climbing up and hanging on the trellis I made for the peas this past spring. I had no idea that the squash would go this crazy when I planted them. Oh, look at my late zinnias. Isn't that lovely? I haven't been out here in a while. What do I have in here? There's a sweet pumpkin. Yay! I need to see if I even have any potatoes. This is like the time for me to harvest them. They're way the heck back there. And up here being overgrown by this crap. Oh my goodness. What a year of negligence for me this late in the season. Here's a big drippy giant mammoth sunflower. I am still picking chardon kale for various smoothies and recipes. And you can see I've got some red peppers I need to pick there. Holy crap, look at this. There's even some squash growing in and over my asparagus and strawberries. Look at that. Oh my god, this is the garden of squash. The garden of Eden. What a bad joke. What do I have to show you? Oh yeah. So the Jerusalem artichokes are kind of going crazy and knocking down the trellis, which is fine. This is just a temporary year in, year out thing. But I wouldn't do one of my garden tours if I didn't say, here's the Jerusalem artichokes. Look at how tall they are. So tall. Oh my god, guys. Da 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 da. That's a flower head. Right up there, that's a flower head. We're gonna get flowers. They're coming. Oh, look at this mint going to seed. There's a pumpkin that got destroyed. It's really interesting walking through here and seeing the squash bugs and hearing them squish and thinking, this is where I planted everything. And everything has kind of died in this area. But the fact that they root as they go, that's probably why they've gone so far, because they've had to out of necessity. Like they started getting primary roots over here and then just going everywhere. Psh, over there, psh, over there, over the fence. Look at this going over the fence, way out there, way out there. That's way more than 20 feet away. And you know where that starts? Right there. I don't know. It's crazy. I've been too negligent. I can blame the mosquitoes, I can blame time, but I've been happy for what I have pulled from the garden. It'll be nice to clean it up, and it'll be nice to start again with less, more organized next year, but more thoughts on that coming later. How disorganized and crazy is your garden? Let me know. And as always, thanks for your support. Happy gardening, guys. Bye.